Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Cinemachine to create an isometric camera for your Unity project. So, what do we have here? This is a simple scene I built specifically for this video. Together we will recreate it step by step. First, let me show you that everything is working correctly. On the right side of the screen you can see that our car moves smoothly and the camera follows it. That's exactly what we are going to build. So let's get started. So guys, here we are. I have created a new project to demonstrate you all from the scratch. So let's proceed to the asset store, my assets. You can use this asset to repeat all steps demonstrated in this video. It's completely free, as I know. So let's add it and try to wire it with Cinemachine logic. So we have completed this step. Let's proceed to wire this demo scene. So guys, if you have the same issue with textures, you should perform the following steps. We should go to the window tab. After that we should go to rendering, render pipeline converter, check material upgrade, make sure to select built into European and click initialize converters. So, and after that click convert assets. And then we should wait some time, and after that we will get normal textures as you can see on the screen. So guys, let's include the required asset to our project. We need to tap asset store, select my assets, and after that I'll go to built-in to unit registry, as I remember. And here we should find our Cinemachine, right, and install it. Let's do it. So we successfully installed Cinemachine. Let's check whether Cinemachine installed fine. So first of all we should add Cinemachine camera here. And the next step is to adjust it properly. So let's proceed with that. We should add a Cinemachine position composer. Okay, as you can see here, we automatically select position composer, and we should enter the following settings. Camera distance we will set to 100. We should use mode override, select orthographic, and select tracking target. Let's select this car. So let's select second. So let's continue with our setup. First, we should set the orthographic size to 10. So let's go to the main camera, and we should change the following settings. First of all, we should change our projection to orthographic. And here in Cinemachine brain we should put late update, and here select lens mode override and select here orthographic. Let's check the result. Perfect, we are almost at the desired result, but let's polish it. So guys, pay close attention here. Select the Cinemachine camera, Then set the X rotation to 30 and the Y rotation to 225. Keep in mind that those values may vary depending on your project, so don't worry if you need to tweak them a little. Let's dock the game view to the right side of the editor, so we can see the scene from the player's perspective. And now, let's play around with our car a little. As you can see, it works like this. You don't need to write any custom scripts. All you have to do is make a few clicks and configure the settings correctly. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, I'll be happy to read them in the comments. See you in the next one.